Body Whitening Scrub. Skin Brightening Scrub exfoliates skin and help improve skin tone. Use twice a week for best results. 1 cup sugar. 3 tablespoons honey. Shower gel. Body lotion. Two drops vanilla extract. 2 drops food coloring. Mix well. Scrub is ready. Save in airtight jar. Magical Body Whitening Scrub with magical elements. Skin brightening and exfoliating. Apply the brightening scrub in circular motion for a couple of minutes. After the scrub, your body feels so light and bright. Rinse with warm water and apply moisturizer.